There are so many students out there who are struggling to get their reading score in the PTE academic test. If you are one of them, make sure you watch this video until the end. I'm Malcolm. Now, one of the most high impact reading tasks in PTE is summarize written text. Whether you like it or whether you don't, you have to focus on this task. It's really important. What you need to do is write a summary of one single sentence, which is between 5 to 75 words after reading a passage. You get 10 minutes to do this exercise and you get 2 questions. This task is integrated, which means you get it in writing, but it contributes to reading very heavily. Now, what you're supposed to do in this task is you need to pick up one main topic sentence and write it in your own words, then use a conjunction or a connector, add a second sentence, in which you can pick up the exact sentence from the passage but change a few words, which means use synonyms. And then you add one more, third sentence, in which you again use 3 to 4 synonyms. So in total, you join 3 sentences, but do remember that you write one sentence on your own, which conveys the same meanings of the main theme of the passage. This is one of the most important tasks. Moving on to the next very important task is reading and writing fill in the blanks, which is the first task in the reading section. You get 5 to 6 questions in each section. In each question, you have 5 or 6 missing blanks. When you click on the blank, you see 4 options and you are supposed to choose one correct answer. Now, what PT mainly checks in this particular task is your knowledge of grammar and your knowledge of collocations. It's a very, very high weight task, which means it gives you almost 20 to 30% of your reading score, probably even a bit more than that. Per question, smart time management would include probably or involve 2 to 2.5 minutes, depending on the difficulty of the question and the passage. The next important task is reading fill in the blanks. This is again a task in the reading test. It's a second last task where you get 4 to 5 questions. You see a passage and you see 5 to 6 words below the passage. You're supposed to drag and drop the correct word in the correct position. Now, what PD mainly checks is your knowledge of context and academic vocabulary. You need to understand what is in the sentence. My tip in this task is, instead of reading the entire passage from start to end, line by line, word for word, try to just see the words before and after each blank. Many times you will be able to form collocations, or you can use your knowledge of tone, whether the sentence is positive or negative, and you can fit one of the blanks very easily. It is not compulsory that you start and solve the blank from start to end. You can see just the words. Sometimes the last 2 or 3 blanks are very easy in a passage. You can solve those first. That way you have lesser options remaining and you can improve your accuracy and improve your time management. The next important task is reorder paragraphs. You get 2 to 3 questions. You will see a passage in a jumbled up way in a random sequence. You need to drag and drop the paragraphs in a correct sequence. Use your knowledge of chronology. Chronology means the timeline. Secondly, use the rule of subject-verb agreement and also use linking pronouns with nouns, like John Lewis is a teacher. He is the best teacher in the world. Now, who is he? He is John Lewis. So you need to form pairs between nouns and pronouns, between names and references. That's a very important tip. You get 2 to 3 questions. This task will contribute roughly 8 to 12 points to your reading score. Last but not the least is highlight incorrect words. This is task number 7 in listening, but it contributes to reading as well, because you listen to an audio, you'll read the same transcript on your screen. Some words will be incorrect. You need to click with your mouse on the words that don't match with the words in the audio. Very easy task, but the speed at which the audio plays can be really fast. And sometimes there is some disturbance in the background, some music playing in the background, which makes this task a bit tricky. You need your full concentration to ace this easy task. Tell me in the comments in which task are you facing a difficulty, and I will make my next video on that particular task. If you are looking for one-to-one classes for your PTE, you can contact us today on the numbers given on the screen. We give catered solutions, and if you are struggling with reading or writing, probably your best bet is you enroll with us. Our one-to-one specialist will train you in your weak areas and you will get your desired score in a single attempt. I'm Malcolm. Good luck.